Objective: explanation of processing of fiber into wool. Hi students! In our last session, we have learnt about various types of wool-producing animals. In this class, we will discuss the processing of fiber into wool. The wool which is used for knitting sweaters and weaving shawls is the finished product. Processing of fiber to wool is a long process which involves many steps. The flowchart of processing of fiber into wool is as follows. Step 1. Shearing. The fleece of the sheep, along with a thin layer of skin, is removed from its body. This process is called shearing. Machines similar to those used by barbers are used to shave off their hair. Usually, hair is removed during the hot weather. This enables sheep to survive without their protective coat of hair. The hair provides woolen fibers. Woolen fibers are then processed to obtain woolen yarn. Shearing does not hurt the sheep. Do you know why? The uppermost layer of the skin is dead. Also, the hair of the sheep grows again, just as your hair does. Step 2. Scouring. The sheared skin with hair is thoroughly washed in tanks to remove grease, dust and dirt. This is called scouring. Nowadays, scouring is done by machines. Step 3. Sorting. After scouring, sorting is done. The hairy skin is sent to a factory where the hair of different textures is separated or sorted. Step 4. Cleaning. The small fluffy fibers called burrs are picked out from the hair. These are the same burrs that sometimes appear on your sweaters. The fibers are scoured again and dried. This is the wool ready to be drawn into fibers. Step 5. Dyeing. The fibers can be dyed in various colors, as the natural fleece of sheep and goat is black, brown or white. Step 6. Rolling. The fiber are straightened, combed and rolled into yarn. The longer fibers are made into wool for sweaters, and shorter fibers are spun and woven into woolen cloth. Occupational hazards. Wool industry is an important means of livelihood for many people in our country. But sorter's job is risky as sometimes they get infected by a bacterium, anthrax, which causes a fatal blood disease called sorter's disease. Such risks faced by workers in any industry are called occupational hazards. Summary. Processing of fiber to wool is a long process which involves shearing, scouring, sorting, cleaning of burr, dyeing and rolling. The wool which is used for knitting sweaters or weaving shawls is the finished product. During the sorting of wool, sorters face the risk as they get infected by a bacterium, anthrax, which causes a fatal blood disease called sorter's disease. Such risks faced by workers in any industry are called occupational hazards.